sky aglow. Dark in my shield of victory is my fate, doomed to hell on earth. A shift in the wind guides me to home. I stare in the mirror now. Who is that under my bloody mouth? I bury my lungs and I kneel on this field. I run the air with my own sword. I command my soul to God. Fatally hurt, not by a night. When I hear the sound of